Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Today our topic is gears. Nowadays the steel gear replaced by the polymer gears, and also recently developed polymer gears replaced by natural fibers. The main purpose of this research is going to developing the gear industries for avoiding the lubrications and weight and manufacturing cost is controlled. That purpose they are find out the alternative for gear purpose. Have you know the gears?
Yes, sir.
What type of gears?
Polymer.
Gears. This one is a natural
Natural
fiber. The natural fibers are made by the different materials, abaca, sisal, and also adding the magnesium. In textile industries, steel gears rotating, winding the threads. Okay. At the time, in steel gear, must need the lubrications because it's creating the vibrations. We applying the lubrications, oil or grease. What happened? The thread stuck. So that is a big problems. So avoiding that purpose, they are alternative. Find out the solutions for the natural fibers and the polymers. In natural fibers and polymers, there is no need the lubrication systems. Sometimes the heat will penetrate inside of the polymers, high possibilities. But heat is less penetrate in natural fibers. Okay, this is a natural fibers gears. This is a polymers gears. What type of gears? Polymers gear. Which type? Spur. This is also they are adding inside the some equipments or washes inside the materials. In polymers gears, they are made by these gears in injection molding or round rod made in injection molding. After they are making the gear by using gear hobbing machines. Same procedures follow. Recently nowadays they are making the die in gear die. Instead of curing the iron 6 in melting conditions inside the gears. We removing the bottom die and the top die. We can get this type of this shape. But it's a lot of difficulties faced. Sometimes they are not forming the properly. So the best way is going to gear hopping. This is a natural fibers. The made by the hand layup methods. They are same die we can utilize it. So this in this die is the upper die and bottom die. We can install in injection molding the melting materials, composites materials, one more nylon 6 glass fibers or carbon content or additional any one materials. We can after melting curing inside the dies it's filled and only it's formed the testing materials. Same die, this type of die making the curing materials inside that can form within 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay. It is impossible to making in injection molding in natural fibers because due to the lot of problems arising. The heat is high level now, it may be chances to producing the smoke or burning. So avoiding that purpose, mostly 90% of researchers making these gears by the hand layup methods. Hand layup methods, they are using the horner, cat lighter and resins and waxing. So applying the dye. First of all, they are using the cleaning the bottom dye and top dye. First type of dye?
Bottom day and
Top dye. Okay. So they are applying the wax on the top of the surface because after finishing we can removing the materials, testing materials easily. Suppose if not apply that materials, it's stuck with adhesive with the steel plates in this die. After removing the surface may be damages. Okay, that purpose they are applying the wax in both of dies. Then maybe they are using in the choked type or length type fibers. After waiting, adding, then they keep in this the materials. So they are sometimes they are mixing the resins, cat lighter and hardener, mixing the both material, both composites material. Then on they are applying this dye areas. Some purpose they are keeping the length fibers and after that they are applying the mixed of resin, catalyters, hardeners on the surface of the materials. So finally they are using in the hand roller. So after completing the process, they are closing the die. Okay. Four side the bolt applied in heavy tightly. So after 24 hours or 48 hours, the curing time. Okay. After 40 hours, they are removing the top or bottom die, removing the testing specimen of tensile and the compressors. Okay. Then they are doing the tensile test, compressor